Welcome back to Sarap TV. Today, we're making a creamy garlic chicken that's rich, flavorful, and utterly irresistible. Imagine tender chicken thighs and drumsticks seared to golden perfection, smothered in a luscious, garlicky cream sauce that will have everyone at the table asking for seconds. Stick with me, and I'll show you step by step how to make this restaurant quality dish right in your own kitchen. Ingredients: 1 kilogram chicken, thighs and drumsticks. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional. 1 tablespoon canola oil. 2 tablespoons butter. 8 to 10 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup heavy cream or all-purpose cream. Half a cup chicken broth. Half a teaspoon dried thyme or Italian seasoning. Optional, chopped parsley or scallions for garnish. Procedure: season the chicken thighs and drumsticks with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Heat the pan and add the canola oil. Place the chicken, skin side down first, and sear until golden brown. Flip and sear the other side. If you have many pieces, do 1 to 2 at a time so the pan doesn't get crowded, otherwise the chicken will steam instead of sear. Remove the chicken from the pan once seared. In the same pan, add the butter and sauté the minced garlic briefly, making sure it doesn't burn. Pour in the chicken broth and scrape the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Add the cream and thyme, stirring until smooth. Return the chicken to the pan and coat it with the sauce. Cover and cook until the chicken is tender and has absorbed the creamy garlic flavor. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Optionally, sprinkle with parsley or scallions for garnish. Plate the chicken and pour the remaining sauce on top. Serve with mashed potatoes, steamed rice, garlic bread, or buttered vegetables. And there you have it, creamy garlic chicken, perfectly golden, tender, and dripping with that decadent garlic cream sauce. If you love this recipe, hit that like button, leave a comment and tell me how it turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to Sarap TV for more authentic Filipino dishes. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Share this with friends and family. Let's spread the love, one creamy bite at a time.